Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to see a new topic from grammar that is as. Now we are going to see what this means. First of all, we use this to say that things or people are similar in some ways. Do you remember that we were checking comparative adjectives? Comparative adjectives, it was used to say that something or someone was bigger or taller or smarter or more excellent than something else. Okay, now we are going to use it with similarities. For example, jam and jelly. Jam is made of a whole fruit and jelly is made of fruit juice. Both are made from fruit. Both are red. Both are like jelly, and our sentence will be jam is as red as jelly. Now we are going to check how it is formed. We need a subject or an object, then a verb. The verb could be in present or past, in positive and negative, but in this case we're going to use it in present to be easier. Then we have to add as, then the adjective, then as, and finally the subject or the object that we are going to compare it with. We have here an example. John plays the drums as well as his father. This means that John and his father play the drums equally well. Okay? John is our subject, plays is our verb in present with the super S because John is a third person, the drums because we have to mention what does he play, right? And then we have to add as, then the adjective that is well means good, then as again, and finally the subject. The subject or the object that we are comparing to the first one. Okay? Now we are going to check another one. The flute isn't as long as a clarinet. The flute is our object because it's a thing. Isn't is our verb in negative because we are talking here that is not the same, but it has a similarity. We have as, we have the adjective long, we have as, and then we have the other object, a clarinet. The flute isn't as long as a clarinet. This is a sentence but in negative because they are not similar. Okay? Now we are going to practice. You have to put a cross with your finger on the screen in the correct answer. Do you remember the structure, right? Her hands are eyes. What do you think is the correct answer? Remember that the adjective it has to be in the simpler way. Okay? We don't have to add anything to make it with as. So what do you think is the answer? Great! As cold as ice. Next one. We have she is nails. She is harder than nails. She is as hard as nails. Or she is as harder as nails. What do you think is the answer? Great! As hard as. Why? Because hard is the adjective. Now we have he is his brother. We are comparing someone with his brother. He is as tall as his brother, taller than his brother, as taller as his brother. Remember that topic that we are going checking here. Okay? The answer is great. As tall as. The same because the adjective has to be in the simple way. We have another one. I'm not my mother. I'm not smarter than my mother. Smart than or smart as. What do you think is the answer? Great! As smart as. Excellent. And the last one. My dog isn't yours. Here we have another negative sentence. So what do you think it's going to be? My dog isn't as faster as yours. As fast as yours. Faster than yours. What do you think is the answer? Great! As fast as. Remember the structure of the sentence. We always have to write the adjective without the endings that we use in comparative adjectives. Okay? Great work, guys. This was a good one. Please repeat the video as many times as necessary. If you don't understand something, please let me know and I will check the doubt and then answer to you. Please remember to write the full date and make the letter readable. Capital letters, punctuation with red color. Remember that our activities have to be clean and with a lot of order. Thank you guys. See you.